Hey everybody, real quick, I had to replace the cooler, the transmission cooler on my F-150 2008. Here's the new one. Your old one may leak for whatever reason. Mine was leaking. I tried to take those fittings off and I messed it up and I think I did it wrong. So I just redid the whole cooler. That way I have all the fittings and everything and there's no room for me messing up again. So I just had to take these 5/16 screws out there and on the other side. I'm underneath the vehicle right now. So sorry for the glare. And these are the transmission lines. They're the quick connect type. So they come right out of the bottom of the old cooler. Once you get rid of this cover, have to take the buttons out to drop that cover down. And those are the quick connect fittings. And that goes into the cooler. And you may need this tool here to take those out because they were kind of stubborn. And you can spray them with WD-40 if you have to. Now this is the side that, or these are the connections that I had. I think I messed them up. So those come with the new cooler, so you don't have to unscrew those. And again, that's the tool that I use. I got it from, I think it was Advanced or AutoZone. So this is the old cooler. You want to compare it to the new one. Make sure it's gonna fit and everything's lined up the right way. So compare the old and the new. And I think I made a mistake by screwing off those connectors. But at any rate, you're going to get under the vehicle. I'm working under the vehicle now. I'm going to line those 5/16 holes up. I'm going to screw that down. Sorry for the glare. And you're just going to screw that in. You see, you just tighten it up right there. And on the other side, and then the pipe itself, like I said, it's the quick connect type. So they just pop right into those right there into that fitting. You see that just goes right in there. Make sure it's in nice and snug and it shouldn't leak. And the other one, this is much easier than taking off the connection from the cooler, which led to me having the thing leaking because I didn't do it right. But here we go. Replace the cooler. That's it. Should be good to go. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Be blessed.